Hello. Let's play LEGO Duplo and count the number. I want to make plane with these LEGO pieces. Do you know how many LEGO pieces are there? Let's build the plane with the LEGO, while we count the LEGO pieces. Start with the wheels part, that count 1. White part count 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. 16. 17. 18. 19. 20. There are 20 pieces LEGO to build the plane. And our plane is ready to fly. Thank you for watching.